Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia if it's your first time watching me. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make Ghana Bofrot or puff puff, and here are my ingredients I'll be using. I have here 5 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and also 1 teaspoon of salt. I also have here 1 tablespoon of lemon essence. So in a mixing bowl, I'll start by adding in the plain flour, milk powder, the sugar, the salt, the nutmeg, and the baking powder. And then I'll go ahead and mix it all together. So after mixing it all, I'll start by adding in a little bit of water at a time. So the dough, it doesn't have to be too runny, it just have to be moderate. So as you add in the water, you just have to be careful not to add in too much water. So I used about 2.5 to 3 cups of water, and this is the consistency it should be. It shouldn't be too runny. So here you are, it shouldn't be too runny. Then after mixing it, I'll cover it with clinch wrap, and also I'll add on top napkins. So if you live in an area that is warm, you can put it outside in the sun for about 30 to 45 minutes. So where I am, I don't have enough sunshine, so I'll be using the oven. I'll set the oven on the maximum of 200. Once the oven is warm, I'll turn it off, and then I'll put in the dough for it to rise or increase in size for about 30 to 45 minutes. So over here, after 30 to 45 minutes, my dough is done, and you can see it has risen or increased in size. So it's now ready for frying. Now over here I have in my wok some oil. I've heated the oil, so I'll start by dropping in or scooping in a little bit of the dough, and then I'll start to fry them. So on a low to medium heat, start by dropping the dough in the oil and keep turning them to avoid burning. And please, if you like this recipe, kindly subscribe, like, and share my videos. The subscription is free, so please try and subscribe for me. and also keep on your notification bell on so you don't miss out on any videos I post. So you keep turning on the dough. So over here it's been frying for a while. I keep turning it so it doesn't burn. Oh, Bofrot, it looks so beautiful, and I hope you like it and also give it a try. This is Ghana street food. Bofrot runnable shishe. So you can have this Bofrot with porridge or tea, Milo. It goes very well by itself. You can eat it by itself, which is fine. So yeah, keep enjoying. So I'll keep turning them to avoid burning until it becomes golden brown. So as I said before, when mixing the dough, try not to add in all the water, just in moderation, because if it becomes too runny, that means you can't fry it. So it have to be moderate, it have to be a bit thicker and not too runny. Yes. And if it's your first time here, please kindly subscribe, like and share my videos. My name is Lydia. So please keep watching, don't go anywhere. Oh, it's looking so good. So just keep turning them, and if the oil is too hot, you can turn the temperature down a little bit. So this is the dry version of the Bofrot. I also have a video on the this is the wet version of the Bofrot. I also have the dry version. So if you haven't watched that video, go back and watch it. It tastes very nice. It's similar to this one, but just that it's dry, but it tastes very nice. So go and watch it, and you can also try to make that one. So our Bofrot is almost done. It's looking so good. Oh my god, I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe, and also share to your families so they can also learn how to make Bofrot. It's very simple. So now my Bofrot is done and it's ready to eat. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Oh, just look at that. It's looking so beautiful and yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.